Hi guys, it's Disney Dog Girl with another fidget review. This is from the creator of the Fidget Cube Antsy Lab. I got this one. This is the original and it comes, if you get the limited edition, you get a little bag. These are from the custom set. So I got glow in the dark, Tiffany blue, chameleon. I'm getting two more soon. And then I got this metal fidget spinner, which is a blade. This one, I would not let little kids use. It's because, be very careful with it. Because it's really heavy. And then I got this one. This one. This is the one they sent me for free. This one I bought. And then, I finally found a Batman one. I really like Antsy Lab fidget toys. I love the metal ones the best, probably for the spinners, because they have so much weight on them. But I would not play with them on hard surfaces. Thank you.